Let's take a look. You guys can see, look.
Amnesia D's, yeah. From the kitchen to the screen, she's a queen. Sharing recipes, family scenes, food adventures, oh so sweet. Nisha D's got the vibe, can't be beat. So follow her page, like and share. Leave a comment, show that you care. TikTok, YouTube, all the way. Nisha D's brightens every day.
We were here recently for our most recent concert, right before.
You know what you see? I got some answers. You might have some answers too.
To use Apple.
This would be tech, I guess. This would be part of what you might do.
All the colors.
So we'll do the math. Tell you where we are.
So there's no grade 9 anymore. We used to do soccer, but because of the other technologies that are going on, there's so many technologies in grade 9. We have some. But grade 10 is small business, kind of entrepreneurship.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha D's. How you guys doing today? Yeah, but anyway, for me, today's a snow day. It's so much snow out. There's so much snow outside, people. Like, yeah, snow day. My son is home. Bus is cancelled from school. I think school is open, but bus is cancelled. But yeah, well, holy past snow. Good thing I'm not going to work today. So I'm not worried about driving on this. And Gabby don't go work until 5. So that's good. So hubby is also home in more time. Show me some snow right now. So, and I'm going to go in the kitchen real quick and fast. I'm going to just match up some fried dumpling and some ackee and starfish. Something quick and fast, right? But yeah, and then I'm going to do some work around the house. I have some picture frames to put up over the home. So I'm going to beg him to put up the picture frame there. So I have those to put up. And yeah, like I said, do some work on the house, do some rearranging, some changing up and some straighten up and something. You know, because you know when you're busy up and about all over the place, things sometimes get out of place, so you have to just kind of put them back in place when you have the time. So that's how I'm going. But Mr. People, I'm not busy with nobody business, but boy, the internet are going with itself. Not YouTube are going, you know. But some things are going on YouTube, man. I wake up this morning and I could have come out of bed, but there. One like something's on TikTok and I have to run go by YouTube, but there. And I go catch up. But anyway, I'm not about that. Okay? I'm not about that. So, yeah, I'm gonna, as I say, in the kitchen right now. And, make breakfast. I'll be there home. The whole family is home. So I'm gonna make some breakfast, okay? Yes. So I'm gonna show you outside. Hold on. You can see? Look. The patio set them fully covered in the snow. And mark you guys, all this is already melted and gone. This is a fresh snowfall between last night and this morning. Because everything that did melt. I'm going to go back and show you how it stay. Alright, hold on. I'm going to make it up with the camera and make him get some video. Some footage. Hold on. Hey, tell me camera I guess. Ooh la la, be quiet. Give me some shot from my camera, Ebbs. Huh? I don't know if I'm going to forget the picture. But anyway, I'm going to the kitchen right now and make out just match up some food right now. Alright, so go and stick and stay. Okay, welcome back to the channel. Come on, let's go make breakfast. So we just put the flour, that flour, I'm baking powder, my salt. I'm gonna add my water right here. So I'm gonna match that up. And like I said, I'm gonna be making that with some ackee and some saltfish for breakfast. Alright, I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys the whole process because like I said, I have other stuff to do, and this is not really a cooking video today because I have other things to do. I'll be home today, so I'm gonna try to get little work out of him. Right, I want to paint up my powder room. Well, let me turn around. Yeah, I want to paint up my powder room, right? I want to paint up my powder room and hang some frames that I got in there. Let me show you guys. I have some frames. I have these ones, these that I bought. I'm gonna put picture in them, right? I'm gonna put picture. I was gonna leave them like that, but I think I'm gonna put like photos of the family. I don't really have too much family photos around the house. They're more like pictures and stuff, picture frames. So I'm gonna do some family photos. I have photos of me and hubby going up the stairs on one wall, but me not really downstairs. I only have maybe one with Gabby with her grad picture and something. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use these. Let me show you what they look like before I put the picture in there. It's 3 of them come in a pack by yesterday. I'll show you what the picture in there look like. This is what the picture in there look like. Alright, so I have 6 of them. So I made decide to go put my own picture, black and white, and I'm gonna hang them. I also have these that I picked up the other day when me and Obi went on the road. I have those. I'm thinking I'm gonna put them on this. I broke my door. Why you want to come broke my door? I'm thinking I'm gonna put them on this, but one on this wall and one over on that wall. I'm not sure yet, right? Like me say, me just have rearrange some stuff. But for those that I just showed you that I'm gonna put the black and white thing in, this is the area I'm gonna put them. But just put them in here right now, just because, right? But this is not where this mirror is gonna stay. I'm gonna take this clock down, might put it for and go Jamaica. Coming out, we don't want this again. So this is the space I'm gonna be putting those. Chop. I see myself in the mirror. Anyway, so now you guys are seeing. So this is where I'm gonna put those the photo frames thingy. So I'm gonna have right here, so like a family wall, you understand, with all of the in black and white photos, right? I'm gonna get a little light, put over the top, and something. So may I get up if you help me out. This thing here, this is not gonna stay, right? This is just temporary. If you guys remember, this was from the fish tank, so this is just a temporary little thing. I'm gonna order the one that I want for good, so when the time come. All right, so this I just go and say the song, take out the fish tank for it. I decide, so why not go and use it in the meantime, in between time, rather than leaving the space empty. So like I said, this mirror is gonna be moved, and the frame, so the other pack of it right there, so in a one corner. And yeah, we're gonna get that done. And I'm showing upstairs. See those pictures on that wall up there, so like me up with one up there, so yeah, me gonna do that right there, so something like that in black and white, right? So yeah, so let me go and go cook. Let me go and go make my breakfast, get some energy. All right, and I'll check back in with you guys later. Okay, stick and stay. I'm telling you, this I already have salt, and my what do you call it, baking powder. So salt and baking powder alone I have this. Me and a fire dumpling pro, so I just stick to the little basic, you understand? Look at something I know, I just stick to that. So salt and baking powder. I know some people put butter, I know some people put sugar. Me not reach a stage yet. Me I say I'm gonna go lane and do it or me can do it, you understand? So that's the dough. I'm gonna leave this a set with a piece of wet napkin. Put over this, leave it a set. I'm gonna go wash up some dishes and then we get back to this later. Right? See there? Done. Right there, so. Come, my son. I'll put on my son on shoes. I'm gonna shovel some snow. Holy. Chancy, you're not coming. Okay. Begin up. Yeah. She's big, but you know. Chancy, you're not coming. Stop thinking here, come. And where's my other gloves, Chancellor? Oh, get my gloves. Now my gloves. These are JJ's gloves too. JJ gloves. JJ gloves. You know. Oh, hold on. Let me put my hand. It's the first one. Chancey, you're not. Is Gabby say Chance must come outside? You Gabby? Say Chance must come outside? Exactly. Chance, you're not coming. So we're going outside, guys. We're gonna go shovel some snow. Chance, you're not coming outside. Hold on, guys. You think he might go outside? Somebody tell him not go outside, no? Chance, you're not coming outside. You're not coming outside. Watch out. You think he might go outside, no, people? You ready? You think you might go outside? I'm going to say that. Come. No, watch out. Chance, I block the door. Chancey, I have to go outside. You're not coming. But Jenny, what Chance? Watch out. You know, see? Gabby. Gabrielle. Gabrielle. Jenny, call Gabby to come get her dog. Can watch her. Yeah, because he thinks I'm go outside, people. And him not go outside. Jenny, look one Chance, no? Look, watch him. Watch him. Like, bro, I'm going outside, Chancellor. You're not coming. You wanna come? You wanna come outside? You wanna come outside? You wanna come outside? Oh, you go outside already? You wanna come back out again? Guys, I guess we have to bring Chance. I guess we have to bring Chance to go outside because Chance decided to listen. If me not go outside, nobody not go outside. In black off the door. Watch out, I do it, watch out. No, me have to go carry him outside, guys. We can't do that to him. I'm gonna put on him stuff. Okay, come get your jacket and come. Look, let me bring him, guys. Let me bring him outside because. Come. Get Chance jacket and make him come. It's bad. Are you waiting for me to come? Me and Chance, me I go bring Chance. Me and Chance go in the meantime. Where's your leash though? Let me get the leash. Let me get Chance stuff. Get some stuff. Together. Oh, come. Oh, you have to put this on. Oh, put this on. Check the boots. Glasses. Hey, take my gloves. No, this is mine. This is the brand new one I just take. This is not yours. Where's yours? What for you there?
Give me a hug.
No, but Judy, this is a brand new. I just pulled the tag off this one. Where's yours?
Are you sure?
Yes, me tell you. Where's yours? Find yours and then we'll see. Remember I bought two. One was for you, one was for you?
No.
Yeah, I did. I'm telling you.
I don't know anything about that.
Well, I did, so go find yours.
No.
See, you find it. You find it. Haha. You want to come tell me? How about me taking gloves? So we're going to time up in stay one place. Watch it now. Watch it now. Go, let's go. No man, I won't will pass fall again. No, sir. Oh my God. No. This is too much. Guys, what shovel already, you know? What shovel out here already? You take time to go and shovel because this is Wally Paston. And what shovel already? What the hell? Can you imagine? Okay, shovel. Watch out. Wait. Watch out. Well, in there. Go, Chelsea. The trip on him, man. Don't try that truth on him. Come on, Jesse. Jesse, can you go? Go walking. In that say you want to go up in the hill. Go up the hill, Jesse. Go. Okay, come. Let's go. Take him on a walk. Wait there. Child, me can't keep up with them. Hold on. Me can't keep up with them. Watch it. I say I want to stay up on the hill. Oh, Gigi. Child, drop out this in my hand. No, Chancellor, you're too strong. In bed. Come, fix this man in your foot, man. Jesus. I want to manage him. JJ, him tangle up with that there. I'm going to do it. Eh? Okay, good. Hey, me run a while ago, people. Hey, me run a while ago. Alright, come, let's go for a walk. Go. Let's go. Oh my God. Hello. What do you want to do? Think you want to do something? Come, let's go. Let's go back this way. Let's go this way. Let's go back this way. Come. Hey, this way. Let's go back this way. Treasure. Go that way, Jamar. Clear off the walkway. Go that way. You want me to do it any one chance? You do it, chat, and make do the all this. Here, yes, because chance will be your trouble. So, guys, make a shovel. Judy can do it, chance. Make a shovel. Me with shovel. And then do it, chance. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey. Yeah? 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 You see? Oh my god. This is it, guys. Huh? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, I'm gonna close the gate and let's go inside and then we're gonna close the gate so you can run around there, okay? Okay, I'm gonna close the gate, guys. The chance can get run around. I'm gonna close the gate. So chance can't forget run around in the backyard and enjoy himself. Because he's having a blast. A blast. Chance is having a blast. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go get my phone. Hello, come over here. Come, hey, this way. Wait, we'll soon come back for you, okay? Wait, 1 second. I had to shove my way to go around the back a while ago. A little walkway. I'm gonna do it again, it's not done properly yet. I'm just going over quickly. Chance the road there a while ago. Look how much snowfall, guys. Take a look. You guys can see. Look. Okay. Oh, with my thumb. My things down. I'm tired. I'm tired. Okay. Let's take this off. No, let me take a boot. Hello, yes. Let's take this off. Okay. Put this over here. And this up thing. Get out of ice thing. Alright, the jackets. Gloves are low. Gloves are nice and dry. That's key thing is right. Last thing is right on this. Right, so leave them right there. So one chance we'll come find them now and take them away. Put the camera. Them fish and start season them up. So I'm gonna make for dinner. That's some season. This. Right. Let's see. And as everybody already knows, me no fry fish, so no say I'll be able to fry them, yeah. And me no like bun, my there. Me no like bun, so yeah. Alright, 4 fish, one for me, one for Gabby, one for Obi, and one for maybe 1.5. Me and Obi. I don't know, because Gigi don't eat fish. So that's it. And I mash it up with some rice. Yeah, quick and simple dinner for later. So now that this is seasoned, I'm going to wrap this up and leave this for go and stay till later. Just got back from inside, show me some snow. And this is how we're going to match up for dinner later. Okay? Oh, yeah. Alright. Alright, alright. I'm going to plate it. Finish? I'm going to plate it. Okay, not here. Fish. Goodness, I'm gonna fry fish now, people. Fry dry now.
Radish?
So nice thing. No, for sure, for wash it. I have some chicken to baby right this time. I eat fish. Season their prep. All of my prep season them. Yung naman na kitchen na naman, ang pipili naman. Hindi man na kitchen naman ang pipili naman. Bon hot.
Where you get it?
Huh?
Oh, you get it.
Where you get it, Bon? So describe to me where you can get it, make it hot man for me. I can't find to make it bon hot.
When you know say get it bun in the agar. If you know
so
you get it bun.
So the unknown bun hot.
Eh?
The unknown bun hot.
No, I never tell you that.
Put that in the dish for me.
I never tell you that.
So basically when you know say I get the bun, so which one hot then?
Eh?
So which one hot?
This is the next one.
Try not to leave it in there so it's in the sour again.
Huh?
No, but this not last for too long. This is a drink off.
Just don't say that drinking, no? One time.
Yeah, so chicken wings for JJ, cutting the one fish, just fry them there. Season and the fish. Yeah.
and a more personal, immersive experience. Tucked away in the southern reaches of the Maldives, Marawi Island offers a peaceful escape that blends local life, tropical charm, and serene coastline. Part of the Adu Atoll, this quiet island may not be as famous as some resort destinations, but its authenticity and relaxed atmosphere are what make it truly special. Traditional dishes with heartwarming smiles, and fishermen bring in their daily catch as they've done for generations. its sunset paint the sky in warm golden hues. And thanks to its location in the Adu Atoll, Maradu is a fantastic base for diving and snorkeling with colourful reefs and rich marine life just a short boat ride away. Nearby islands via causeways. You can bike or walk across to neighbouring islands like Fadu and Gull, discovering a chain of small communities, each with its own personality and stories.
So you want to do? What you want to do? You come to do?
Have some food. Hungry.
Both are coming right time. Alright, this is what this area is looking like as of right now. I didn't get to finish printing all my photos black and white like that one, so that's what it's looking like. I'm gonna get the light for there, but yeah, just waiting for that. And I put the mirror there for now. It's gonna move to, but yeah, that's a little corner over there, so waiting for the light. And I'm gonna get the photos printed and yes, so once again guys, don't forget, like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend, come on over to the channel and be a part of the family. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace. I got another bin. Gabby, get another bin for me. Put the rest of my Christmas stuff over there, and I still didn't get to hang these up yet guys. These ones, Lord goodness, stay with me. Has a bunch of guana. I want to put it over here on that wall and on that wall. I'm gonna put it. So yeah, wanna just go and bear with me and see with me. Good girl, I got through it, but there. Hold on, guys, hold on. There it is. Let there be light. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it on that wall like I'd already told you guys, and over there. But I still not get for each one to this yet. But as you know, but like I said, I got another bin for those stuff. It's right here. Gotta pick this up for me today, so we're gonna do that maybe tomorrow. Okay, maybe we're gonna hang those picture frames maybe tomorrow. No promises, but we'll see. Okay, but look at the lamp, the warmer, the candle warmer. Isn't it nice? See that? Yeah, it's cute. Remember it? Remember my little lamp that I got? Yeah, it's a candle warmer. Really cute. And it's actually, yeah, see, actually I do the job. You guys can see? Yeah. But yeah, so that's it. That's it for tomorrow. So yeah, stick and stay.